Hi everyone, it's Ayush and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we are going to take a look after that how we are going to initialize Tailwind CSS in our React application that we are going to create by using Vite. So without wasting any time, let us dive into the video. The first step is to go to vitejs.dev and then click on the guide option in the navigation bar. So that you need to simply scroll down, you will find some commands that you need to run to create a Vite application. So what you need to do is go to the VS Code, go to the terminal and run the first command, that is npm I Vite, and this command is going to simply install Vite on your system. So it's going to take a while and it's going to install Vite, by using which you can just create Angular apps, React apps, and or any other apps like Vanilla or Vue. So after Vite is installed, you can run the following command: npm create Vite @latest. This command is going to create a Vite application. So after on running this command, you will get some options like the project name. So let's give it a React sample app, and it's asking for a framework, so let's give it as a React framework. Now in the React also, it's asking us for variants, so we are going to use simple JavaScript for this project. And now it's giving 3 lines of commands that we need to run to initialize the basic React application. So let's copy these commands, paste it in the terminal, and it's going to simply install all the packages that are required in the React sample app folder. Now at this stage, all the things are done. Now what you need to do is you need to run this application by using npm run dev. But there is a pro tip for all the users that you can just simply execute this process right now. And after that, you need to run here npm run dev. But after that, you need to give double hyphens, again double hyphens, and then write host. So what will happen is it will just run this application on your local server and on the network server. So what is the benefit? So basically, if you run npm run dev, it's going to start the local server, but that is only going to work on your laptop or on your PC. But when you run npm run dev hyphen host, then it's going to start the network server. That what will happen that you can simply use your application in your mobile phone, in other PC or laptops that are using the same network connection. So if I just click on this link, it's going to simply open it in Google Chrome, and you can see here's a basic application. So we're having the Vite and React. Basic logos are given, use state is being used. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply clear up all this thing so that we get a very blank template to start the application. So let's go in the src, and then in the app.css I'm going to clear up all the code. In the app.jsx I'm going to clear up all the code. In the index.css I'm going to clear up all the code. Now I'm going to go to the app.jsx and just write here rfc and then an h1 tag and write here hello world. Now you can see that here's a heading of hello world that's going to simply give a classical view of h1 tag. And now we are going to start initializing Tailwind CSS in this project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and search here for Tailwind CSS and go to the tailwindcss.com and click on the documentations installation, click on the framework guides. Now here you will find Vite, so just simply click on the Vite application, and you need to run these two commands for initializing Tailwind. So let's go to the terminal and let's run these two commands here. Enter. So it's going to simply run up both of these commands. Wait, I think something went wrong. Let's see. That's okay. Now let's paste it. So it's going to first run the npm install Tailwind. That's going to simply install the Tailwind in this project. After Tailwind is installed, just run the second command, that is npx tailwind init. Okay, done. Now you can see that it has just created post.css.config.js and the tailwind.config.js inside our React sample application. Now, what you need to do is you need to simply come here in this tailwindcss.com and scroll down. You can find here tailwind.config.js, this code. So let's just copy this code by clicking here and come back to the project. Open the tailwind.config.js file and just select all the code, paste the code that you get from the website. Now the next step is simply go to the index.css that we just cleared up and just paste these 3 lines of code. So I'm going to simply copy all these and go to the index.css. Here's index.css, and I'm going to paste it here. So that's all done. I'm going to just close the terminal also. So you can see that we have just initialized Tailwind CSS in our project. Now, how to test it? So simply go to the h1 tag and write here class name. And in the class name, I'm going to give something like, let's say, underline. So let's see, is it underlining the text or not? So I'm going to simply save it and then run this server here, cls npm run dev dash 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 host, and it's going to simply run the server on the network. Let's open this, and boom, you can see that here it has just applied a tailwind font, and then it has given an underline effect also. So this indicates that tailwind is successfully installed on your pc in your react application. Now there is a library also for tailwind, that is, if you just here go to the extensions and search for tailwind, you will get tailwind css. Let me just close the terminal, not terminal, just okay. So you can see you can simply install this extension Tailwind CSS IntelliSense, and on installing it, you will simply enable it. And what's the benefit is you will go here in the class name. Let's say here you are writing all the classes, right? So you will just press, or if you just give a space, then it's going to give all the suggestions automatically that you can use to create your application in case you don't remember, because nobody can remember all these classes. So what you can do is you can simply install this Tailwind CSS IntelliSense, and on pressing Control and space, it's going to just auto search for suggestions related to the keywords, and it's going to give you, like here you can see underline. So on the last character E, if I'm just pressing Control space, it's using the underline keyword to find some suggestions for me. And let's say if I just write here H, that is simply for hide. So I'm going to let's say in case it's not giving me any kind of suggestion, like in this case it's not giving me any kind of suggestion. So what I will do is I will simply click Control space, and it is searching for whatever suggestion is containing the keyword H. So you can see here it is. It's really a helpful library that you can use to create fast application. And yeah, so yeah, that's all for today's video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, see you.